Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can stop auto backup of Google Photos. Now for that, first of all, you go to the Photos section on your Android device or on your mobile device. Tap upon the Photos. At the Google Photos on your mobile device, you tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. And now here you need to click on Photos Settings. You tap on Photos Settings over there, and there you will see on the very top backup and sync. You tap upon that. Now here you will be able to stop the auto backup of your Google Photos. For that you need to tap on the Toddler and move it to the left. Once you tap on that, you can see all the backup of your Google Photos will be stopped immediately. This way you will be able to stop the Google Photos backup. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.